Hi, my name is David Hellier. I am a workflow specialist here at Scratchpad, and today we're going to talk a little bit about cards, and specifically how to use cards to ramp your new reps more quickly and enable your team to sell more effectively by having playbooks, FAQs, all at your AE's fingertips. Before, enablement resources were spread out between internal wikis and third parties like Google Drive and Notion. Now, RevOps and enablement teams can create cards and snippets of helpful information, such as battle cards, product behavior, and playbooks, all in Studio, and configure them to surface contextually whenever a rep types a relevant term into their notes during a call. Here's how we're going to accomplish that. We'll go down here to our settings wheel and click on Studio. From there, we'll navigate to the left and click on Cards and create a card. We'll go ahead and call this card Playbook, and for the body, I'm just going to drop the definition. Tags, create new tag. Now, anytime the word playbook is typed into one of your reps' notes, this card becomes accessible to them and the information included. Hopefully this is useful. If it is, we'd love to hear from you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.